The 5 pivot method. This is the manifestation habit that replaces all other manifestation habits. You may have thought that the only way to manifest the dream reality that you want is through visualization, scripting, and affirmation. But that takes out time from your day to do it. And also, when you're feeling really bad and you're feeling upset, it just cancels out the effect of all that positive visualization and affirmation you did. But there is a savior. This method that we're going to do today, firstly, it will save your life when you're feeling really negative. It's going to also change the way that your day is going. So if you've been having a terrible day, this method is going to completely change the way that your day goes. Also, you don't need time outside of your day to do this. You can do this all throughout the day if you so choose to. I've been in this industry for 20 years. I came across law of attraction when I was 14 years old. I'm now 34. So 20 years I have studied this particular method and it has worked every single time. It's phenomenally powerful and we're going to dive deep into it now. So the first thing you need to know before you can even start applying this technique is for this technique to work, you need to understand that your entire life is created completely in the emotions you're feeling throughout the day. So creation is happening only in your emotions, which means if your emotions throughout the day is like this, and back down and a little bit better, then you're in crashing. By the end of the day, you're in a pretty negative space. That's what's reflecting out in the life that you're experiencing. It's day in and day out of the same stuff because it's the same emotions. Today, we're going to change that. So the first thing you need to do, step 1, is you're going to take your phone. You do this on your phone. You're going to set out 5 alarms, 3 hours apart. 5 alarms, 3 hours apart means 7 a.m., 10 a.m., 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 7 p.m. Okay, let me repeat that. What is it? 7 a.m., 10 a.m., what is? 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 7 p.m. You're going to set these alarms to go on vibrate. So they're not going to ring out loudly. They're going to be on vibrate mode. Why? So that if your phone is in your pocket, you will feel it. If your phone is on the table, you will feel it. Nobody else needs to know what's going on. Step number 2. As soon as the first alarm rings, you're going to look for what was the very last thought that you thought. So most of the time, unconsciously, we are thinking negative thoughts of things we don't want. Usually they're fears, usually they are worries, usually they're about the past and we don't even realize we're thinking about it and creating similar experiences. So when it vibrates, you're going to look for what was the last thought that I was thinking. And usually it's not a thought about something you want to invite in your life. Step number 3, you're then going to ask yourself, see, I know I'm thinking about something I don't want, but what is it that I do want to experience in my life? And what would I love about having it? So this step 3 is where the powerful magic is happening by asking the question, what do I truly want now? And what would I love about having it? Step 4 is answer those questions. What do I want and what would I love about having it? I'll give you a story very soon to explain how this applies in our day-to-day life. What do I love about having it? You list out 3 to 4 to 5 to 10 things that you'd love about having this new experience you want to have in your life, as opposed to the negative thought that you were thinking about. When you start listing this, your vibration is going from wherever your vibration was to 10x higher. I will show you this in an example in a moment. Now, step 5 is continue your day until the next alarm rings and you repeat. You're pivoting your vibration 5 times a day. You're doing it within your mind, no need to take out time to do it. And this vibration is happening on your phone. Only you need to know what's going on. It's a magic trick for your life. So let's look at how does this really work. If you understand this example, you'll know how to apply it in your life. So years ago, 2020, I used to teach these 5 a.m. sessions. And those days, my team also, and I have a virtual team, would also have to wake up around that same time in order to be ready to facilitate this class. Now, one of those days, I was ready, I was in front of the laptop and I'm watching my phone, my group chat, my team chat to see if everybody is ready, if all systems are go, but nobody was responding, nobody was messaging. It's like they had completely forgotten that we have a class or they slept in, they're not awake. And suddenly I started getting really angry because this program, these 5 a.m. sessions, we had over 2,000 people in this class. This is a huge class that we were teaching in 2020. And these are daily classes. So my team already knew they're supposed to be up and they were not up. And I started getting angry and I had these thoughts, what's happening in the mind? So I'm thinking about how I'm going to finish this class and I'm going to be so angry. After the class, someone's going to get fired or all of them are going to get fired. And so much of drama and nobody cares about my project. I'm the only one who cares about it. If I don't do it, no one's going to do it. I'm by myself. All of these were the thoughts that are so angry that were coming up, and suddenly I snapped out of it and I realized I'm just creating, using my own thoughts and emotions. I'm creating exactly how the day is going to go. This class is going to finish and is going to be full drama. All showdown is going to happen. When I realized that, I said, wait, I can in this moment, because the present moment is the gateway to any new future you want. I can create a totally new future. This is 5 minutes before the class starts. This is 4:55, 5 o'clock class starts. I'm telling myself, what do I want? Do I want the joy of drama? Do I want to be that person? Or do I want to create some harmony in my experience? So what do I want? I want my team to be here, ready, excited for the class. I want to have a phenomenal class. Okay, what would I love about having my team ready and us having a phenomenal class? And I really felt it in my heart. And I said, I love the feeling of the harmony we have. I love the feeling of being this amazing team that gets to serve these beautiful people. I love the feeling of having this wonderful experience with all of us together in this class. And I started feeling that love and that vibe so much that I snapped out of the angry victim, love of drama place, and I went into the love of life, the joy of life, the harmony, that love. And as I'm sitting and feeling this is, mind you, 4:55, 5 minutes before class, I start getting, and I don't have just one team member, I have multiple team members, all virtual, ping, ping, ping. They're, oh my God, sorry, I slept in for some reason, but it's almost like my image came into their mind while they were sleeping, and they woke up and they realized, oh, they all came in and we had this phenomenal class, harmony restored. Nobody got fired. We didn't have to go into that negative drama state. By the way, this lesson, that choice point between joy of suffering versus the joy of life, it's always a choice. We get to decide whether we want to stay in that misery or get to create harmony. It's all coming from within us. In that moment, it taught me a great lesson that at any time, firstly, life and moments can change at any time based on where you're vibrationally. It also taught me that I was unconsciously choosing drama over choosing harmony, and I decided to consciously choose harmony. If this lesson was helpful or awakened anybody, just look into my description box or on the pinned comment in the chat. You're going to see a free ebook. It's called The 12 Lessons of Freedom. These are the 12 most powerful lessons I've learned in my life that changed my life. It will change your life. It is free. Somebody paid a lot of money to get these lessons. I'm giving it to you for free. Go check it out. And I promise you they're going to change your life. Now, to summarize, all you're going to do is firstly remember that your day, your life is created by virtue of the emotions you feel every single day. Being able to pivot those emotions into better emotions every day is going to not only change the trajectory of your day, it's going to change the trajectory of your life. You're going to set 5 alarms, each alarm 3 hours apart. When the alarm rings or vibrates, you're going to dig at what was the last thought that was in your mind. And when you notice that thought, you're going to ask the question, now that I know what I don't want, what is it that I do want and what would I love about having it? And when you list what I love about having it, you're going to start vibrating much higher, therefore changing the entire, talk about quantum jumping, you're changing the entire trajectory of that reality. Try it out and you will see that your life reflects back. If you're going to try out the 5 pivot method or you're excited to try it out, just type right now in the comment section saying, I'm pivoting my life right now. I'm pivoting my life right now. How exciting. We have a tool that we can use and just change our lives. Who wouldn't do that? Would you do that? Would you practice this? If yes, just type, I am pivoting my life right now. And that's it. We've come to the end of this video. Our whole channel is about changing on the inside to create change on the outside. So if that's something for you, just subscribe. If you like this video, please like it to show me that you liked it. Just for context, the more comments we get, the more the video is shown to other people who may need. So this is digital karma. You want to help the world, comment on this video. This video will get shown to more people and it will help more people. So go comment below and share this with people. Also digital karma. Share this with people who would also love to practice pivoting their realities, pivoting their day. And you see, knowledge is here for you to take. Don't just take this as just another YouTube video, just another YouTuber. Not like that. When universe is giving you a video, it's your questions that are getting answered through this video. So truly practice it. Save this video. Come back to this video. Really, truly practice. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. If you want me to make something specific, you can comment that below as well. I'd have a look. I saw that people want a guided meditation for positive energy for 2026. that is the video that's coming up next. I love you. Thank you so much for watching me and for watching this video. And I look forward to seeing you in another video. Namaste.